Achi. Hi, Achi.
Hi.
Are you still in class?
Yeah.
Why are you using your iPad?
Kakastart.
Ha?
Kakastart.
Palang nang?
Yeah.
Kakastart ng what?
Class.
Tama ko na lang dito. This is the i2 stylus. I got this for Robyn. It has this, yung dito, yung stylus niya here. And then you can open. Tapos, meron pa siyang parang pen tip. I don't know if it's focusing. But it has the pen tip stylus naman here. Yan. And then, binili ko yung may parang clip na ganyan. Oh! Oh no! Bigla. Ayan. So, that's one of the purchases. I got this from Lazada for, I believe, 99 pesos plus shipping. Worth it naman. Gusto ni Robyn, di ba, Ro?
Yeah, this part, it's kind of more heavier and you have to kind of press down a little. This one is much more lighter to use.
Yung pen part. Okay. Do well in school. Here's my after lunch treat, coffee. I made caramel macchiato and we have piaya. And Robyn just got done with her school, her online classes. And they won sa isang parang game nila. Right, Ro?
Yeah.
Yay! Who are your teammates? Anika, Jinjiro,
Joshua,
and Joshua. Congratulations! Good job! One baby is down for his nap. We're still wearing cloth diaper, by the way. Yay! So, siniya na lang. And now, I need to fix the bed. Nia's asleep. Yay! So, the two of them are napping na. Ito yung best talaga once dalawa sila na sabay tulog. Usually, ganyan naman. But, may mga times kasi na hindi sila sabay. That means, I won't have any time for myself. So, at least, both of them are napping. There's one thing that I wanted to show today because I wasn't able to do so before. Last Saturday, I finally bought something for myself. I don't really buy a lot of things. Like, hindi ako masyadong gastos. And when I do, I usually really research on it. Like, madami, mahaba-habang research. I finally decided to buy a tablet. And this tablet or this brand was recommended to me by my sister. Wait ha, buksan natin yung blinds konti para may liwanag. Ayan. Mas maliwanag. So yeah, this tablet brand was recommended by my sister. She said na she was supposed to buy one for herself before. Pero, napahiram siya ng ibang phone ng mom ko. So, okay na, hindi na siya bumili. But, since, na-mention ko na to before that since Robyn is using my laptop, most of the time, it's difficult for me to do work. I was contemplating if I will buy a laptop or a tablet. I just decided to get a tablet kasi okay pa yung laptop ko. And if tapos na yung itong homeschool setup, magagamit ko naman ulit. And tablet is just convenient and it's just faster for me to bring and lug around everywhere. So I decided to buy one. And the tablet that I got is the Xiaomi Pad 5. And the one that I purchased is the white one. Ayan siya. May kumikinang-kinang parang pearlescent kind. Robyn just finished her school, so she's gonna go down and have her lunch. So anyway, yan siya. The reason that I got this is, upon researching, maganda naman yung mga specs niya, and it's not as expensive as like Apple or iPad, ganon. So, I wanted to show you like the tablet in case na may naghahanap. And so far, since di nga ako masyado magastos, diba? So, I plan to like reuse the little accessories that I already have na ginamit sa iPad ni Robyn or what else. So, I'm gonna show you. This is the tablet. This is the Xiaomi Pad 5. And as I mentioned, I got the white one. Hindi ko pa tinanggal yung sticker because I'm still on the 7-day warranty period. So, ayan. Tapos, andito yung kanyang name, the branding. Kita ba? Here. It's just right there sa may side lang. Tapos, you have the camera. Maganda yung camera nito, yung sa likod. Yung sa harap, it's not as clear, but not bad pa rin naman. Syempre, you're gonna use this for your Zoom calls and meetings and presentation and whatnot. Wala pa yung nag-order na ako nung casing niya. So, I'm still waiting for that. Then, tada! Wait lang ang daming mga. There you go. So, this is it. Xiaomi Pad 5. It's actually pretty big. This is 11 inches. And, maganda siya because since malaki siya, okay siyang gamitin for watching videos, editing, yan, which I plan to do. Yan, so I kind of personalized it already with a little bit of photos. You can use it na this way or this way. Yan. And then there's also a feature na para siyang desktop feature na there. So these are like the apps that I normally use for work, for social media, for work, and also for play. Yan, I'm not much of a gamer, but this tablet is actually good for gaming because mabilis siya. 6 GB yung RAM niya. And then the one that I got is only 128 GB for the memory. There's also one at 256, but okay na ako dito because I plan to transfer din naman. Okay. These are some of the things that I already have or I already own. Tapos, ito na rin yung ginagamit ko for the tablet, for the Xiaomi. So, first, of course, is your keyboard. Yan. This one's from my sister. Wala nga siyang brand so I'm not really sure. But this one is magnetic. So, if I decide to buy those magnetic cases, I can definitely use this. I've tried already and it works. So, yan. Medyo maliit lang siya. It's even smaller than the actual tablet itself. But this was from my sister. She gave this to Robyn for her iPad before when she was using her iPad for online school. Now, she's not. So, ako na ang gagamit niyan. It just makes it easier to type stuff, diba? I also have this pen. This is definitely not those smart pens. The Xiaomi Pad 5 actually comes or has an optional accessory na yung para sa kanilang Xiaomi pen that you put here on top para mag-charge siya, ganyan. And then you can use it to doodle. So, definitely, yan. So, yan. So, you can use the Xiaomi pen. But, since I don't have a budget yet for that, I'm just using Robyn's pen. Ayan. There. It works naman. Because I'm not into drawing anyway. So, I think okay muna to for now. And then we have, this one is the Bluetooth mouse. Again, for Robyn's iPad before. Kaya siya rin yung pumili nitong color. Ayan. So, this is also what I plan to use. Kasi hindi naman na niya ginagamit. Tapos, I also have, this one super old already. Sobrang tagal na nito sa akin. Huawei T8 earphones or earbuds. Ayan. So, i-connect mo lang siya via Bluetooth. Pwede na siyang gamitin. So, I'm sure na marami na ngayong mas bagong model. It finally came! My casing! Here! The brand is Sund. Tama ba yung basa ko? XUNND. And I just got this from Shopee. And what I like is, it's very simple lang. I don't like kasi yung parang ganito from my old one. Yung may flap-flap pa. I just prefer yung simple lang. Ganyan lang siya. And then, I also like that it comes with a built-in stand already. Kasi usually, gusto ko na nakatayo siya. Ganyan. And then, turn it on. Like that. So happy. It came just this afternoon. There. So, kompleto na siya. Woohoo!
Red. What color is it? What color is it? Red. Yay! Clap. Clap for
Clap,
Nia.
clap.
Red. Good.
Good.
Red.
What's that, Nia? What's that? Oh, Tete. He's gonna sit, Nia? Where will you sit? Say hi. Say hi. Shh.
Hi.
Hi. Say my name is
Gaku.
Nico. Nico Lu. Don't touch. Hi. Why? What are you doing? Making this video using the Mi Pad because naubusan na pala ako ng storage sa camera ko because I'm trying this out to see also how the video quality is. I'm using the front cam of this this tablet. Obviously, the back cam is so much better, but since I'm not yet familiar with the angles, ito na lang muna. Hi, Nia! Hi! What's that? Grapes! Great. I wanted to share the audiological appointment of Nia yesterday. She went in for a hearing test. Her last one was last November, and kinumpare namin yung results from last November and yesterday's. And I'm so happy because the result showed na nag-improve naman across all borders yung hearing ni Nia, especially her implanted side. So, her implanted side, parang nasa normal hearing na siya, except for the high frequency sound, which is the parang soft sounds. Yun kailangan pang ayusin yon and to work on. And then her hearing aid side naman, nasa moderate hearing loss siya, but still may mga improvement pa rin. But yes, we're still gonna work on that also. So if I compare the results to when we started, Nia had profound hearing loss on her right side and severe hearing loss on the left. Tapos ngayon, nasa normal hearing na siya, and then the other one's moderate. Ang laking jump na, and it really is like a miracle na. I'm so grateful na may gantong technology for her. And I think that's also one thing na gusto kong ma-remind sa ibang mga tao that may mga ganitong instances, even though you are a hearing family, like our family, diba? Ganun pa rin, yun nga, biglang meron pa rin hearing loss pala. So, if you're on the same boat, at least alam niyo that there is actually something that can help you and your child. Actually, yesterday, after her hearing test, the next patient was a baby. And when I saw the baby, parang mga nasa 2-3 months old pa lang siya. And it really brought me back to when Nia was that small and would go to the nursery and have her ears and hearing checked again and again, just to get a failed result again and again, until when she was 4 months old. Doon na kami nagpunta sa isang intensive test na talaga, which is the ABR-ASSR. That's when we found out that meron na talaga siyang hearing loss. So parang it just brought me back, and feeling ko I know what the mother was feeling. All the anxiety, all the stress, all the fear. Diba? Parang, I just hope na, kasi I noticed her and her child. I hope that she also noticed Nia and myself, and somehow, sana it gave her a little bit of hope that pwedeng lumaki ng ganun yung anak niya na, di ba, she'd see. Kasi Nia was already kind of chatty yesterday. So, sana narinig niya yun. Sana nakita niya how we were interacting, and that gives her hope. Yun. Na ano lang, parang naalala ko lang lahat. Nung nakita ko yung kid, yung child. Kasi mga ganong age din si Nia when we started everything, di ba? We found out about her hearing loss when she was a newborn, basically. So yun, thankful that everything's improving. We can actually see it naman. Napapansin naman namin yun na may mga improvement talaga si Nia, and like what I said, she's very chatty already, as in madaldal siya. Siyempre, hindi pa words, hindi pa exact words, and hindi pa ganun ka-clear yung mga nasasabi niya, but andun yung intention. And you get it through context, you get what she's saying. So that also gives me hope na sooner than later, we'll hear her words na talaga, like real words. Si Nico naman, hindi rin naman ganun pa parang sobrang clear yung words niya. It's just that it's clearer than Nia's, diba? Is Valentine's weekend. That's Robyn. Valentine's weekend. But it's gonna be a working weekend for us also, because next weekend, Pooch Park Manila Bay will be opening. So, kailangan ayusin lahat in time for the opening. If you aren't following Pooch Park's social media yet, please follow them also. So that is it. I hope that you enjoyed and like this kind of vlog. And subscribe if you haven't already. And please don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed. I'll see you again soon. Bye.